So, kain tayo ng mangga, guys. And meron tayo ditong, paano ba ito i-pronounce? Prawn powder. So, ito yung sausawan namin ngayon, guys. Ngayon ko lang din to guys, natikman. Bibi ko, yung pot.
Nice.
Ito yung. Ngayon ko lang din to natikman, guys. Masarap pala.
Ay.
Don't put a lot. Masarap din pala, guys. Para siya may sugar, may salt. I-read ko nga. Ingredients. Prawn powder, sugar, salt.
What is this?
So, masarap din pala siya, guys. Did you use that before?
Yeah.
Don't put a lot. Ang lutong.